1 credit, 1 magic credit. I'm gonna do 1 more Assault Revolt because I have another token handy. And then I'm gonna head out.
You there, stop. Alright, you're coming with me.
I wish I could click through all of this intro stuff, but I guess it's not supposed to be a very frequently played mode. Okay. Come on, get up there. Just go ham on the flippers and try and aim for the ramps and the pops, I guess. That was, I think, worse than the last game. More jackpots, maybe? If I leave it like this with 1 volt letter left, then my wife will hopefully hit it this evening and be, hey, I got a better score than that. Knock myself. Knock myself off the leaderboard.